first thing you'll notice is that Gmail is great about letting you know how many unopened emails are in your inbox, which for me is usually quite a bit. By toggling this hamburger menu, you can see the little red notification displayed in two ways. The navigational controls are easy to use and customize. Let's take a closer look. Simply click on a new email to open it up, and this removes the notification. You can star your favorite emails, and then click on the starred navigation button to view them as a group at a later time. Snoozed allows you to snooze and come back later, sent, drafts. And you're able to customize by dragging and dropping. You can see a direct integration with Google Meet, where you can transform a heated email exchange into a live meeting immediately. And other options for integration are at the bottom here. So if your hair's not done, go with Hangouts or a phone call. Gmail divides your emails into 3 inboxes: primary, social, and promotions. You can also remove one of these inbox selections if they bother you up in the settings menu. Let's take a look at the settings. The density settings allow you to select the size of font, compact, comfortable, or default for better readability. If you select an email, you'll see options for deleting, sorting, archiving, or appearing. To compose a new email, click Compose. We'll see some options. We'll close out of these coming up. Previous emails will auto-populate for you in the To section. And I'll type a status or a subject line, sending my status update. And there's a BCC field that appears as well if you extend that area. Now, typing in the body, you'll notice each email comes with its own individual formatting toolbar down at the bottom. By rolling over it, I can see some of the formatting options that are familiar to us by now, including color, justify, adding quotations, and at the bottom, some options for attaching files using Drive. There, I'll send her an emoji as the status report so she doesn't freak out. I can go into Drive and attach a file or attach an image from my computer. And if all else fails, I can even send her money. And some options here for labeling your email before it even goes out the door. We'll come back and talk about labels a bit later. And now you can see that under the drafts appears my draft. So even if I close out my email, it is still saved to draft. Now, this time I want to add a signature. I can go with a signature I've previously created, or I can jump over to settings and create a new signature. And really, over on this settings page, there's quite a few options for customizing your emails. So if we scroll up here, we can see the option for the signatures, vacation responders. Also the ability to customize your text font style, your language style, if you have a need to have an additional language that you're typing in. Labeling. Let's take a look at creating the new signature, adding it in here. Taking a look inside the body of the email, we've got this starred. These 3 dots give you the options for replying, forwarding, translating, downloading. This would be our file attachment that's in the email. Up at the top, a navigation that pairs along with the left-hand side user interface tools for organizing your information, archiving, making a label. You can mark it as unread, but let's go ahead, let's do a reply all and take a look at what it looks like to reply inline here with one email attaching to another. You can customize this in the settings page if you prefer not to see two emails at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and send that. And if I want to jump over and take a look at my sent folder, now I can see that it's there and that it has been sent out. And we'll take a look at some more advanced features in Gmail in the next video.